My mind's already running. No silence, even before the sun. I wake up with 1,000 thoughts ahead. Deadlines knocking before I leave my bed. The screen lights up, it pulls me in. Another day where the noise begins. Everybody moving like they're out of time, chasing something they can't define. I tie my shoes, but something's wrong. My body moves, my soul's not on. Too fast for my soul, I can't keep pace. The world keeps turning, I lose my place. Every second pulls me out of control. This life's too fast for my soul. Too fast for my soul, I feel it deep. Running all day, but I don't feel peace. If this is a race, I'm letting go, 'cause it's too fast for my soul. They tell me go, they tell me rise, but never how to quiet my mind. I see success in polished frames, but every winner looks the same. I try to keep up, my chest gets tight, like I'm losing air in broad daylight. I smile outside, but drift within, like I'm trapped inside a life I didn't choose to live. So I slow it down just to breathe in. The wind feels like it's speaking to me. No rush, no race, no need to prove, but everything screams, just keep moving. Feels unfamiliar, but not wrong. For the first time I hear my name, not the one that the world proclaimed. I'm not